Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today I have a very exciting bag unboxing all the way from Paris. So I can't wait to share my new bag with you and tell you more about it, why I picked it. It's something that I was missing in my collection, especially in this color. So if you're interested, keep watching, and also don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, which you can see here on the screen. I show you my new purchases, how I style them, my daily outfits on my stories. So come say hi there. I would love to see you on my Instagram as well. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so my new bag came from Paris with love, and it is from Ateliers Auguste. Sorry if I'm butchering the name, I'm trying to sound French because this bag is designed in Paris, but it is made in Italy, which means only one thing: beautiful craftsmanship. So I'm super excited to show you the bag I chose, and it is, look how beautiful, guys. Isn't this color breathtaking? Oh, I tried too much. I'm wearing like 50 shades of beige but this is my new bag and I'm so smitten by it. It is so beautiful, the design and the color. So this, as I mentioned, is a French brand. This bag is the Gabriel Gold Edition. The Gabriel bag offers an elegant silhouette which is inspired by the 70s, and it could be worn on the shoulder or as a crossbody bag. It is perfect for everyday use. It has a very minimalistic and contemporary design which looks very elegant, very classic look. This is exactly what I was looking for because it is not in-your-face designer, it doesn't scream designer, but it has amazing quality, which I'm going to talk about in a bit and explain more about the bag and why I chose it and why I love it so much. But yeah, as I said, it doesn't scream, when you see the bag, it doesn't scream designer in your face. And some bags, like let's say a Chanel bag, wouldn't be appropriate to go to work, let's say, or if you don't want to bring very expensive logo-y bags when traveling. Also, I think this is a great alternative. It is still a designer bag and the quality is exceptional. So let's talk about the leather. So this bag is in beautiful taupe box leather. It is handmade in Italy and they use premium Italian calf leather, which is also water resistant. This intoxicating smell of leather, oh my god, it smells so good. Is it weird that I keep like smelling the bag, but it smells so good? You know, that's a sign that the leather is good, right? It's just the smell. So good. Can you believe this leather is water resistant? I mean, considering it is a box smooth leather bag, but like when you feel it, it feels so good. Actually, it feels very durable. It doesn't seem too delicate, so I don't think it will scratch that easily. I also think this clasp is so beautiful, and it is actually their signature clasp, which is magnetic. It's very secure. Can you guys see? You don't have to align the magnet, it just, look how easy it is to open and close. You don't have to adjust the flap to close it, which makes it super easy to get in and out of. And as I said, the magnet is strong enough, so the bag is very secure, but at the same time it's not difficult to open and close. Because I have experienced some magnets are so difficult to open. And yeah, as I said, this gold toned clasp is only available on the gold edition bags. So you have quite minimal hardware. Yes, the hardware on the front, the clasp is quite statementy, but then you have a little bit of hardware on the side, and then you have the stamp with the brand's name at the back. Another thing that I actually really like about this clasp, which actually has the sticker, so should we remove the sticker quickly? You guys know I don't like leaving stickers. I do really like the design of the clasp as well because it won't show scratches over time. I think it will be quite scratch resistant because of the way they designed it. Just realized there are some stickers on the side hardware as well, so I'm trying to remove all the plasticky stickers. So let me give you a little tour of the bag and show you the inside. So it comes with this strap which is adjustable. I did have to adjust the length because when it came it was quite long. For reference, I'm 170 centimeters tall, so I did adjust it and you can see how nicely it sits crossbody on me. The strap, bear in mind, is not removable, but let's open the bag inside so you can see how nice it is. It has two compartments. It has a beautiful micro suede lining. We have a central zipped leather pocket as well as the two open compartments, and this to me is perfect for everyday use. It fits so much. I will also show you what fits inside this bag. Also, I forgot to mention the dimensions. So we have in centimeters, height is 16 centimeters, it is 21 centimeter wide. It is also, as I mentioned, quite lightweight, 580 grams. So yeah, this is the bag inside, very, very roomy. It fits more than enough, everything you need for every day. Honestly, the quality of this bag has blown me away, guys. The feel of the leather, the clasp, the attention to detail. You don't have any loose stitches. You can see it is handmade and they put so much care into designing this bag, and everything is just perfection. The glazing, the stitching, as I said, the interior, everything feels really luxurious. The price of this bag is only £524. This is exactly what I was looking for. A friend of mine actually recommended me this brand because she has one of their bags. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the brand. That's why I also wanted to film this video and introduce you to the brand. Ateliers Auguste was founded in 2012 by two brothers who love design and architecture. Their collection of bags and accessories have very structured shapes and very minimalistic designs. So if you are into quite luxury, I think this is the best brand to go for. So you still get the very high quality products, but slightly lower luxury level. A lot of their bags sell out. They have quite a few different designs. They have a smaller size in this one, and also I think it was like the same bag but with a chain strap instead of the leather strap. So depending on your preference, they do have different options. I chose this one because I wanted something a bit larger. They have this in a smaller size, as I mentioned, and I did really like how structured the bag is. I loved the two separate compartments inside. So yeah, again, depending on your needs and what you're looking for, you do have quite a few options. So yeah, do check out the website. They also have top handle bags, and this bag also comes in 3 more colors, I believe. Let's see, so I got the taupe color, also comes in beautiful gold. I will insert pictures here so you can see. Also black, which is beautiful with the gold clasp. And one of my other personal favorites, and I think this might be my next one because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go for the white or the taupe, but yeah, the other one is the white, which actually has embossing on it. It's like a lizard embossing on it. It looks so beautiful. It will be great for summer, like the warmer months, but to be honest, I'm glad I went for the taupe because I was actually missing this color in my collection. I have one other very teeny tiny Chanel bag. It's more like a small leather good, actually. It's not even a bag, in this exact color, and I tend to reach for it a lot, and sometimes I wish it was slightly larger. Also, this taupe color is the perfect beige. I don't suit all beiges, like very pale washed out beiges, I don't suit, where I think this particular shade of beige will suit many complexions, and it will be the perfect neutral. It will be super easy to style with pretty much everything. It's a chameleon kind of color because it goes with like warmer tones, but also you can wear with like slightly cooler tones. I'm going to style this bag maybe in like 2-3 different ways so you can see how easy it is to style. I thought this color will be maybe the most versatile, and it will be an all year round bag, so I can wear it in the summer months, in the colder winter months. So I'm so happy with it. I really hope you guys will check out the brand if you're not already familiar with the brands. I really hope you do check it out because I think you will also be blown away by the quality of their designs. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's bag review and unboxing. Let me know what you think of this bag. I love that the brand is sustainable. I love what they stand for and I'm so excited to support them. And in my opinion, this is one of the best mid-range brands and bags you can go for. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'm excited to read your comments. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys!